Morning, friends. This is Big Jack, St. Augustine Beach, feeding the seagulls. I'm with cousins Lewis and Leigh, and this is really funny how they will catch that bread right out of the air. They almost will eat right out of your hand. But it's a beautiful day. It's about, I know Leigh and Lewis have long sleeves on. It's about 85, but the wind is blowing. So they just wore their coat this morning. Now that whole flock of birds is sitting right over my head. I hope that, yeah. Alright, Leigh. Yeah, they're doing good. But here we are, the birds. I'm going to name this video The Birds of St. Augustine Beach.